Hi, I'm Derek Tano, Managing Director for World Class Programs. I'm here at beautiful Osaka Castle today to give you guys a few tips and tricks that all of the World Class Program staff have learned over our years of travel. So sit back, relax, and watch the video.
Hi, I'm Jacqueline, Florence Program Director for World Class Programs. I'm here to give you my travel tip. When you're on location, don't worry about taking too many pictures. Just take a couple and then enjoy the rest of the moment. Thanks, see you this summer.
Hi, my name is James Prince. I am the Paris Program Director with World Class Programs. My study abroad tip is to try all the local foods. You'll never know what you like until you try it. We'll see you there.
こんにちは。私はディリカスとは日本プログラム監督です。Hi there guys, my name is Brother Didicus and I am the Program Director for the Japan trip for World Class Programs. My travel tip for you is to bring along an empty suitcase. Not only will you want to bring along your clothes, but also a bunch of souvenirs back with you. After all, when you visit a place like this, like a Japanese traditional tea garden, you won't want to go back, trust me. じゃ、またね。ありがとうございました。
Hi, I'm Tina with World Class Programs. I have a travel tip for you guys. When you're packing for your summer program, bring the most comfortable pair of shoes you own. You'll be doing a ton of walking. And when I say ton, I mean a ton of walking. These right here, these are my favorite shoes. They're super cute in pictures. They look great on, but you know what? Nope, not for walking. These are my Crocs. They are the most comfortable pair of shoes I own. They're not exactly the most attractive one, but my feet don't complain and I get to see anything I want to see without worrying about getting back home and resting my feet. So I look forward to seeing you guys this summer. Bring comfortable shoes. Thanks. See ya.
Hi, this is Colin Moe with World Class Programs, and today I would like to share with you one of my travel tips. Consider investing in a money belt, and although the countries we're going to are very safe, it's always good to be prepared. Thanks, and see you this summer.
Bonjour les étudiants. My name is Captain Ryder and I'm the Director of Admissions. I'm here at the Louvre to give you my travel tip. My travel tip is to exchange your currency in your home country. You're going to get a much better deal at your home bank.
Hi, I'm Gary from World Class Program. So welcome to Florence, and I wanted to give you some tips for your trip. So when you first meet an Italian person, just say good morning or good evening. It depends on the hour. That means good morning means buongiorno and good evening means buonasera. So even when you go and buy something, if you want to ask for the price, just say quanto costa, how much does it cost? Or if you want to ask for some direction, for example, where is the Duomo? You just say dov'è il Duomo? So here are some trip tips for your trips in Florence, and I will tell you more when I will see you this summer here. So enjoy, I hope to see you this summer, guys.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully those tips will be very helpful for you. But remember the number one rule of travel. No matter what they say, you can never predict the weather. Thanks, everybody. We hope you have a great school year, and we hope to see you this summer.